Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're exploring the iconic Santa Maria-style tri-tip, a true gem from California's Central Coast. This unique barbecue method elevates a simple cut of beef into something extraordinary, known for its bold, savory flavor. It's not just about cooking, it's about a tradition that brings out the very best in the meat. Get ready to master this fantastic dish. It's truly a crowd pleaser. To begin, select a nice tri-tip roast. It's a triangular cut from the bottom sirloin. For the classic Santa Maria style, the seasoning is incredibly straightforward. Think salt, black pepper, and garlic powder, maybe a touch of onion powder too. Before applying anything, take a moment to trim off any thick fat caps or tough silver skin. This step ensures an even cook and allows that amazing rub to really penetrate the meat for maximum flavor. Now for the heart of the flavor, the dry rub. It's all about balance, usually featuring a generous amount of coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and granulated garlic. Don't be shy. Cover every inch of the tri-tip with this mixture, pressing it firmly so it really adheres. Once seasoned, let your tri-tip rest on the counter for about 60 minutes. This step helps the flavors meld and brings the meat closer to room temperature for more even cooking. Grilling Santa Maria tri-tip requires a two-zone setup on your barbecue. You'll want one area scorching hot for searing and another cooler side for indirect cooking. First, sear the tri-tip directly over the high heat for about 4 to 5 minutes per side, creating that beautiful, flavorful crust. Then, move it to the indirect side, close the lid, and continue cooking until it reaches your preferred internal temperature, usually around 135 degrees Fahrenheit, for a perfect medium rare. Once your tri-tip is off the grill, the most crucial step is to let it rest. Cover it loosely with foil for at least 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and moist. When slicing, pay close attention to the grain of the meat, which actually runs in two different directions, and always cut against it. Serve your amazing Santa Maria-style tri-tip with traditional sides like fresh pico de gallo, some hearty pinto beans, or even a simple piece of garlic bread. It's truly a delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.